Question number 4, it's exercise 6D. In triangle XYZ, side X is 7 meters, side Y is 8 meters, and side Z is 9 meters. Find all the unknown angles. Now we don't have to use the side formula, we have to use the angle formula. The angle formula I'm writing over here, and then we have to make changes. Angle formula is like that: cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. It is like that. But here the alphabets are X, Y and Z. So I am taking angle X. So this is cos X is equals to if we have to find out angle X, so we have to take X as negative. Okay, so Y square plus Z square minus X square. The angle that we have to find out, we have to keep its sign as negative. Okay, now we have to use 2YZ. Okay, now I am putting the values. What is the value of side Y? You can see in the question this is 8 and Z value is 9. So 8 square plus 9 square minus X value is 7. 7 square upon 2YZ. What is the value of Y? Y is again 8 and Z is 9. Okay, so 8 square is 64, and you can do by using calculator as well. Put all the values in the calculator, it's very easy for you. 8 square plus 9 square minus 7 square upon 2, 8 and 9 is multiplying, and now this is 0.66. 0.66. Cos X is 0.66, and in order to find out angle X is equal to cos inverse 0.66. Now again use your calculator, press shift, then cos 0.66, so this is equal to 48.7. Angle X is equal to 48.7. We have found out one angle. Now move to another. Now we have to use formula for angle Y. Okay, this is our main formula. Now for angle Y, this is cos Y. I'm writing it capital because this represents angle. Now this is X square plus Z square minus Y. Why I'm writing Y is minus? The angle which we find out is always its side is always in negative square. Okay, and 2XZ. Now what is the value of X? X value is 7. 7 square plus what is the value of Z? This is 9 square, and what is the value of Y? It is 8 square upon 2, 7 and 9. Now simply use your calculator and solve it. You can do 7. See over here, 7 square, 7 is the value of X, and 9 square, 9 is the value of Z, minus 8 square, 8 is Y, and then again 2XZ. So this is 2X and Z. So put the values, use in the calculator, and then we'll get the answer. This is 0.52, 0.523. Now this is cos Y, so Y is equals to cos inverse 0.523. so angle Y is equals to 50. Now see how we can do, press shift, then cos 0.523, so we'll get 58.4 degrees. And for angle Z, we don't have to use formulas. For angle Z, this is equals to 180 degree minus 48.7 minus 58.4. so we'll get angle Z, because if we know two angles, we can find out three angles by subtracting from 180 degrees, because some of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. 48.7 minus 58.4, so this is 72.9 degrees. Now we have found out all three unknown angles.